Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to EBSEC's online support program. This tutorial is dedicated for students of class 3 for doing their weekly assignment number 12 of integrated studies. Textbook Stepping Stone 3, pages covered 45 till 48, chapter 4, topic providing goods and services, resources and scarcity. Resources required: laptop, computer, cell phones. Introduction. Objects that you can trade are called goods. A service is something one person does for others. Buyers and sellers depend on each other. This cooperation in society is called interdependence. Buyers and sellers of goods and services do not meet the demand. This shortage is called scarcity. Quote of the day. No one is perfect, that's why pencil have erasers. Objective. Students will be able to know about goods and services and term interdependence. To know about scarcity. Success criteria. Keeping in view the mentioned topic, listen, understand and answer the questions. Previous knowledge questions. How many types of resources are there? Good. There are 3 types of resources. Okay, name them. Very well. Natural resources, human resources and capital resources. Okay, who are sellers? Good. People that sell objects are called sellers. What are goods? Okay, nobody knows? Today I'll tell you. Providing goods and services. Objects that you can trade are called goods. Clothes, groceries and cars are all goods. A service is something one person does for others. The principle of interdependence is the key to the existence of nature's entire system. The best example we have of this are the cells in the human body. They connect with one another through mutual giving for the benefit of the entire body. Every cell receives what it needs to exist and applies the rest of its strength toward the general body. Now, business, a place where people work, demand, something that many people want or need. Supply, the number of things that many people want or need. Market, a place to see or buy goods. Scarcity, when there is not enough supply of demand. Scarcity means shortage of anything. When there are not enough resources to meet the need of people, we say that there is scarcity. Scarcity exists because money and other resources are limited. Unlimited wants. People never get enough. We always want or need more. Scarcity, the basic economic problem we all face is scarcity. We have unlimited wants. Resources to satisfy these wants are limited. Make wise choice. Now, making wise choice, we make choices every day, like the clothes we wear, the food we eat and the work we do. Making right choices make us responsible and makes us able to learn from mistakes. Now it's time for an informative video to clear our concepts.
Today we are going to learn about goods and services, what goods and services are, and how to tell the difference. The first thing we need to understand is that everything you buy is either a good or a service. A good is something you can touch with your hands, like a skateboard. A skateboard is a good. It's something you can buy and you can touch with your hands. Now, a service is a job you pay someone else to do. A great example of that is painting a house. Painting a house is a service. It's a job you pay someone else to do. So, a good is something you can touch with your hands, and a service is a job you pay someone else to do. Let's look at some more examples. A car is a good. It's something you can touch. A car wash is a service. It's something you pay someone else to do. If you were to buy a roll of carpet, that is a good. It's something you can touch. But laying carpet is a service. When it gets installed, that is a service. Last example, a pair of shoes is a good. If you bought shoes, that's a good. That's something you can touch. But if your shoes break, the shoe repair is a service. It's a job that you pay someone else to do. Everything we buy is either a good, something we can touch with our hands, or a service, a job we pay someone else to do. So let's give you a try. Help us figure out if it is a good or a service. We're going to do a little game that we call at Homeschool Pop, good or service. We're going to show you a picture, and you're going to tell us whether you think it's a good or a service. Here's our first one. Bread. Bread is it a good or a service? Yeah, bread is a good. It's something you can touch. Try this one. Baking a cake. Baking a cake is you know which one? It's a service. It's a job you pay someone else to do. What about this one? A medical checkup. A medical checkup is it a good or a service? Yeah, it's a service. It's a job you pay someone else to do. What about this one? A bicycle. A bicycle is yeah, it's a good. It's something that you buy that you can actually touch. Good job. We all like this one. Pizza delivery is do you know which one it is? A good or a service? It's a service. It's a job you pay someone else to do. Here's our last one. A pizza is we had to do this after the pizza delivery. What is a pizza? A pizza is a good. It's something that you buy that you can actually touch. Awesome job. Thanks for playing. Everything you buy is a good or a service. A good is something you can touch. A service is a job you pay someone else to do.
Now it's time for recap. Objects that you can trade are called goods. A service is something one person does for others. Buyers and sellers depend on each other. This cooperation is called interdependence. Scarcity means shortage of anything. Now it's time for home assignment. Question number 1. What will happen to seller if buyer do not buy their goods? Question number 2. What is scarcity? Question number 3. Learn and write these words: scarcity, choices, services. Now, my dear student, always thankful to Allah for His countless blessing. Have a marvelous day. Thank you.